The Warwick Corridor Bridge Group 97 project in Warwick, Rhode Island, delivered a critical replacement of two Route 113 bridges carrying traffic over Interstate 95 and Interstate 295. As a critical east-west corridor carrying up to 33,000 vehicles daily, the project required a carefully phased approach to maintain traffic flow while delivering full structural replacement within an accelerated schedule. Given the high traffic volume and strategic importance of the corridor, minimizing disruption was critical, providing an opportunity for accelerated bridge construction. The design-build-delivery method enabled early coordination for United Concrete Products to serve as both precast producer and specialty engineer, providing integrated support throughout the design and construction processes. Their involvement helped optimize components for constructability, structural performance, and installation efficiency, while aligning with the overall project requirements. The project incorporated over 150 precast elements, including approach slabs, abutment components, prefabricated bridge units, piers, columns, and deck panels. Many components were set into place upon delivery, reducing staging, minimizing handling, and supporting efficient phased installation. Off-site fabrication allowed work to proceed in parallel with on-site construction, maximizing quality and dimensional accuracy in a controlled environment, while reducing risk and delivering strong structural performance and long-term durability to the permanent structure. This precast bridge system allowed for precise fabrication and strong high-quality connections, supporting overall structural integrity and long-term performance under heavy traffic. Winner of the 2026 PCI Northeast Showcase Award for Best in Precast Transportation, this project was recognized for its ability to deliver a complex bridge replacement with speed, precision, and minimal disruption. With United Concrete Products providing precast elements and specialty engineering, the team achieved consistent quality, fast installation, and durable, long-lasting components, creating a predictable bridge replacement that met tight schedule, safety, and structural demands. Congratulations to the project team.